exported a few videos using Davinci Resolve, and then I exported the same video in Premiere Pro. The videos which were exported from Davinci 1, 2, 3, 4 are all blurry and ugly. I'm not sure why this is happening for the first time, I think. And the one exported from Premiere is much sharper. Even when using the APV codec, which is almost lossless, the image was blurry. H.265 at lower resolution, H.265 at higher resolution, that's 1080p, that's 2560. They are all blurry from Davinci. And from Premiere Pro it was much sharper. Okay, so let's compare some of them. Let's compare the APV, which is lossless. Open a new tab, pause it, okay, and open it from Premiere, open in a new tab, and pause it. Drag the Premiere to the right and the other one to the left. The APV from Davinci. Look at the text, how ugly it is. You can barely read that PDF, it looks like POF. And the other one in Premiere, look how clear it is. It is clearly a PDF. And the quality is at maximum. That's 1080p for the Premiere file and also at 1080p for the APV file. That is much uglier. It looks like POF. It's smooth, it's not sharp. Once again, from Premiere Pro is much sharper. Let's click on that one. Stats for nerds. AVC codec, because it's only 1080p. Stats for nerds. Also AVC codec, because it's 1080p. The other one, which was at a higher resolution, here we have 1440p also. Let's set it to that one, and the same thing, POF, so it's not sharp at all. And back to the other one, it's much sharper. This one has the better codec, VP9, and that's the lower quality AVC codec. And still the one from Premiere looks much better.